Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact Grailed Support for help. Here are the detailed steps to contact Grailed Support for help. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. If you already have a Grailed account, so log in if prompted by clicking the login button at the top right corner of the website. Enter your email and password or use Google/Apple credentials if applicable. Logging in may help Grailed provide you more personalized support, but you can contact support even without logging in. So once on the home page, you can scroll down to the footer section, which we have in here. Now in the footer, look for help and FAQ. Click on it to open Grailed's Help Center. Or an easier way is to click on Contact. So if you click on Help, in fact, it's going to take you to the website, or it's going to take you to a web page where you have all questions that you can ask Grailed related to your problem. But if you want to contact directly, it's easier. You click on Contact. Now that is going to take you to the Contact window. And I'm going to show you what to do from there. Now in here you have a form to fill out. Okay, in this form, choose the topic. First off, enter your email address and the subject. So enter the subject, that's the topic or the category that best describes your issue. How can we help? Click on that and of course select the one that apply, the option that apply. And after that, in the description box, enter the details of your request. And once you do that, a member of Grailed, that's the member of Grailed support staff, will respond as soon as possible. You can attach files. This is pretty much optional. Photos, screenshots, or relevant document. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Submit button to send your request to Grailed support. After submitting your request, Grailed will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Grailed support team will typically respond via email, so keep an eye on your inbox or check your spam/junk folder if you don't see a reply. If you haven't received the response within the expected time frame, or if you need further assistance, you can reply to the confirmation email or submit another request via the Help Center. And that's just pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.